They had a national award from Crestron. We're very proud of. You know, these corporate commercial projects happen around the country every day, and CI delivers them every day, and we feel we're one of the best at it. It was a very proud moment for CI as we worked on this heavily in design. To deliver a project in just a fantastic building is very rich in history to Melbourne or Richmond. It's something that we want to display and we want to sort of talk about for many years to come. I think the people that work at Red Energy, the senior management who are most respectful to companies like CI, they're very open-minded. I love that they really want to cherish that working relationship. They're a very collaborative organisation. Part of our strategy and solution was to provide that collaborative atmosphere to go with their working conditions. So I think they sort of go hand in hand with CI's design and implementation and Red Energy's collaborative working spaces.
Here at Red, we've got a long history of developing long-term relationships, and the beauty of having such a strong one with CI, having introduced at a technology level, is that as things advance, as things improve, as new technology comes to the fore, we know that we've got a strong relationship with a partner that will bring that technology to us and help us through the process of installation, understanding it, and make sure we maximise the value and get the best out of it.
CI was a pleasure to work with. They went to some length to understand our business, how we used information, and then to deliver to our needs. They really understood how we require reliable technology.
Red Energy is an organisation that's like-minded to us, really focused around the people who are using the technology in the workspace. They're really focused around their employees and making sure that when they come to work they've got the greatest place for them to work. And for us, having an organisation that has that sort of focus is so aligned to the way we like to operate and the way we like to work. I think we've been able to introduce a degree of simplicity and a surety of the environment. So whenever they go to a place, to a meeting, that the technology just works.
We were the classic organisation whereby you go into a meeting and you spend the first 10 minutes getting it all to work, and you lose, your productivity, and everyone's just bummed out because it doesn't work. Everything works. It's all standard across all the rooms. It's simple and it works, and it really, people really like using it, and they're excited by it.
It's not just about a large digital screen. It's not just about, oh look, we've got the biggest and the best screen in the foyer in the country. It's about telling the story about the business. I think it needs to tell that story.
The first time that I saw the whole thing illuminated and just coming to life was just breathtaking.
To be honest, it brought tears to my eyes, and it was really important for this to feel like home when people walked in. So we wanted the connection between the workspace and everything, but using the big screen, it allows us to put all sorts of things about the community, about our teams, about our staff, and then just bring that to life. I've seen people standing out on the street when the doors are closed at night time watching it, which is pretty cool. The advancements in technology just are so rapid, we have to keep in an ongoing relationship with them, because what we've got today is not what we're going to need for tomorrow and the next year and the next year. So it is really about keeping not bleeding edge, but leading edge in terms of the technology tools we have here.
We want to deliver the very best service we can for our customers. We want to deliver it to a high degree of quality at the absolute lowest cost, so that we can deliver products that are cost effective to the customers that we have. We care deeply about that. You can only do that if you've got the very highest quality technology underpinning it.
Red Energy was smart. They understood that the real cost of AV technology was in the time wasted when things didn't work. And that's why CI were chosen, even though we weren't the cheapest option. Such a credit to Red Energy that they understood the importance of an ongoing relationship with their technology provider. If more companies were that smart, they'd get a better result in their workplace. Red Energy are the perfect customer. They understand our value proposition and they're people.